want to make sure that I'm providing feedback to these individuals so that they get the right equipment that's going to work, right? Not because it looks cool or something like that, but put these things through their paces. That's what I like about this, getting hands-on, providing the feedback so they have effective kit in the future. Getting on site and just literally collecting a quick sample, it cuts down a ton of things like time on target, right? You don't want to spend any more time on target than you have to, right? You risk exposure, contamination. I like being able to just press a button, get a readout, bag and tag it, and send it.